meals going toward people who need it. Right now, we're going to bring you loaf pans that you need to create your own meals at home from Temp-tations. A set of 2 loaf pans in baskets. You'll remember when Temp-tations first came on the scene all those years ago, they were resting in rattan baskets. So this is really a wonderful Temp-tations item that has come full circle, because in this offer today, you're getting 2 of these beautiful loaf pans, completely made of stoneware. Each one is 1 3/4 quarts. And both have that beautiful woven basket that they rest in. You get both of these for a Black Friday sale price. And remember, all Black Friday sale pricing also carries free shipping and handling. So now you're looking at $29.28, 5 easy payments on your credit card, and free shipping and handling. It's our only order of 2020. Let's bring in Tara Tescher. She is the president and CEO of Temp-tations, joining us live via Skype from her home. And Miss Tara, nice to have you back. I love it when a product brings a brand full circle.
Yeah, absolutely right, David. This is what I was sharing with you ahead of time. Do you guys remember this? Over 18 years ago, this is what we had, solid bakers in our rattan baskets. And what we heard loud and clear was, let's have some of that throwback. Let's update it. Let's put it with our great patterns that you've loved and been collecting. Let's upgrade it to a banana leaf basket so it's a little thicker, a little heavier. And let's give you the loaf pans that you only need typically this time of year, or you look for them and you can never find them. I love that we kind of married that whole story together and brought you great patterns and great colors.
We did bring great patterns and great colors. And what I want to do first is go through our plaid options, if I can, Tara. And
sure.
In our plaid options, we have, harvest, 600 in the harvest, and we also have holiday, 400 in those.
Love.
Then we're going to take you into Old World. This is Old World in the, I believe this is taupe, Old World in black, Old World in eggplant, Old World in gray, Old World in blue, one of our most popular choices. Old World green was the way it all began for Old World, so maybe you should get the green with the beautiful baskets. That'd be a nice way to throw back. And then we've got red, cranberry, and what Tara collects, the confetti. Very popular in that confetti. Now on the bottom shelf is floral lace. Now in this floral lace, I've got it for you in taupe. I have green. Here's the red. Here's the cranberry. Come on over to gray, to black. Blue is our most popular floral lace color. And then I have eggplant. So all this coming together for you at $29.28, and all of it on 5 pay, and all of it, Miss Tara, with free shipping and handling. 300 sets are already gone.
Love
QVC.com and mobile apps will be your best way to get through right now.
So here's what I love about a loaf pan. Obviously, I love baking in stoneware because it's naturally nonstick. So you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fats. So when you're making a beautiful cranberry glazed cake, you don't have to worry about it popping right out. You know, typically loaf pans come in glass, which are really hard to clean, and they come in metal, which the heat buckles in the oven because you can't control it. Right here, you actually have the heat hugging your food. So whether you're doing hot or you're doing cold, the stoneware is a great insulator of that. Whether this becomes your side dishes and you have leftover stuffing or your green beans, at the heart of it, it's a little under 2 quarts in total capacity. If you're picking up that floral lace, there is no brown trim. So this is the first time we've ever done a loaf pan in our floral lace with just the beading as well.
Well, Tara, 500 are now gone. I've got bubbling mac and cheese coming right out of the oven. 1 3/4 quarts of mac and cheese. Looks like there might be some cherry tomatoes in there as well. Beautifully done. And then here's something you always love about Temp-tations. Because it's stoneware, everything just pulls away with no sticking. Look at how that just pulls away from the side of the dish. There we are. If you can see the pattern, you know it's not sticking. That's the most beautiful part.
And what's nice is you have it in that rattan or the banana leaf basket. And so you see that cheese that's on the side, they're already pre-treated. So you can just go ahead and wipe that clean, but you're not having to worry about your hardwoods or your linens. You literally drop it right inside that basket. And don't forget, you can use the basket separately if you wanted to. They're food safe if you wanted to put crackers in there, or we actually did a cute little centerpiece over here where we just put some candles, some flameless candles. So these are those great pieces that when you think about banana breads and pumpkin breads, and all of those great baking breads we love to make this time of year, this is truly the best way to do it, and that's with our Temptation stoneware.
Well, we are very, very busy on our phone lines. In fact, now we've taken orders for well over 1,000 sets are gone, and another 1,000 people on the phone lines waiting to place an order. Please use QVC.com, your mobile app. Those are going to be your 2 fastest ways to get through right now and place your order. In the set of 2 plaid, I have Harvest, 500 left in the Harvest, and set of 2 in the Holiday plaid, but only 200 left now in that Holiday plaid. Here's Old World taupe, set of 2, 500 left there. Old World black, 400. Old World in the eggplant, 300. Old World gray, 800. Old World blue, 700. Old World green, 500. Old World red, fewer than 400. Here's the cranberry, fewer than 400. And most popular is confetti, 700 left. A few more to go around in the floral lace, but here's a set of 2 floral lace in the taupe. And then we'll shoot these straight on from the side. This is green. Here's red. Here's cranberry. Move over to gray. This is black. And this blue, most popular. And then I've got eggplant showing you again. You get not 1 but 2 of the loaf pan bakers, and you get not 1 but 2 of the woven baskets. 2,000 of these are now gone, Tara. So many people are realizing maybe I could bake something for someone who lives alone, wrap it up, leave it for them on their porch. It's a contact-free gift with a little note inside that says, when you finish the banana bread inside, return the container to me and I'll refill it again.
I love that. And yes.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry to interrupt you, David. I love exactly what you're saying. That is at the heart of it, what this brand is all about. It is truly about not only getting everybody back around the table and slowing down a little bit, but paying it forward. And what better way to do that than, of course, with baking something and leaving it. And of course, I love your idea, return it. Usually I say just keep it, but I love the idea, return it and let me make something else. So whether you're baking in it, whether you're using it for side dishes and you want to reheat, whether you were doing it for hot dips or mac and cheese, this is that chameleon that at the heart of it bakes those beautiful, delicious breads, but also acts as your everyday baker.
Well, what you could do, Tara, is bake something in both, leave both on a porch, and say, just keep returning one, and I'll keep refilling the other, and you can fill the other with whatever you like. That way they can use one and keep one, get one refilled on a regular basis. Don't miss out on this. We are very excited about the Black Friday sale pricing and also the free shipping. 2,500 of these are gone now, and just in case you were not aware, December 1st is Tuesday. That would be day after tomorrow. Have you started your holiday shopping? Yeah, let's get busy.
Nope.
Let's get busy.
Nope.
So everybody, hang on the line. We're going to get you all squared away. And Miss Tara, we're going to see you 3 more times in our show today.
You are. I'm excited. Lots planned.
We are super excited as well. You take good care. In the meantime, we're going to check in with Mary, who's going to give everyone an update on our very best value of the day.